pretty little skinny little bitty body model legs. Some of y'all ain't never had.
Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back and we're jumping right into this video. I kind of want to show you guys an alternative to just blow drying your hair after you wash it. I am going to let my hair dry overnight, but first I washed it, conditioned it. This is me brushing through my hair with conditioner, and I'm using this new Tangle Teezer Ultimate Detangler brush. And listen, this brush needs its own applause, okay? The way it glided through my hair with conditioner in it, I don't know, it's probably in the teeth. Like, wow. Look at, you guys, I never brush my hair when there's conditioner in it because it's honestly just a headache and a hassle. But this Ultimate Detangler is meant to be used on wet hair and, you know, hair with product in it. So I guess that's why it hasn't slipped out of my hand, which, you know, makes brushing your hair, detangling, a hard job. But you guys, the Tangle Teezer Ultimate Detangler got it down packed for me. It's good for all hair types, and I feel like I have very coarse, thick hair, and as you can see, it's just gliding through my hair. This is the true test right here, brushing and detangling your hair with no product in it. And you guys always ask about the brushes I use. It looks easy, but I promise you it's not. But with the Tangle Teezer Ultimate Detangler, you guys, I feel like it's cut my time in half, only because the brush is just really easy to use. It's just gliding through my hair. Like, I literally have no tangles, no knots, and I'm actually enjoying brushing my hair. So, you need this one. And all I'm going to do is braid my hair in 4 braids and just let it dry overnight. I do plan on flat ironing my hair, so I do want to cut down on the heat since I normally like to go a month, but it's been a couple weeks, probably like 3 weeks since I straightened my hair the first time. Trust the process. I know it looks crazy. I look like a 12-year-old, but it's going to come together. So I'm just tying my hair down and I'm going to go to sleep and wake up and my hair is going to be dry, nice and dry, okay? this is the finished look. This time I didn't use the same heat protectant I used last time, and do you guys see the difference? Like my hair doesn't like products. That's just what it is. My hair does not like products. It likes to thrive in its own uniqueness. But yeah, I have a link for the Tangle Teaser Ultimate Detangler brush in the description box because you need it. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.